Hi guys, so this is going to be the second time that I've sang my Chinese song, which I'm going to be singing in China on stage at a karaoke this year. So the camera's going to go off midway through. Don't worry, I'll fix it. And this is Letting Go. Let me know what you think. Any errors, which there'll be a lot of, let me know if you spot them. 这是一份离别信，写下我该离开的语音。我在你生命中扮演的角色太模糊了，你对我像忽冷忽热。我到底是新人还是朋友？爱你事情不该太认真。That's why I'm letting go。我终于试图为你分开说，因为爱你爱得我心痛，但你却不懂。I'm letting go。你对一切的软弱太多，让人怀疑你是否爱过我，真的爱过我。为你再找不到借口 ，That's when we should letting go. Okay, going good. 噔噔噔，你是呼吸的空气，脱离不了地震是真理。你在我生命中扮演我苦在的原因，或许正是的探索，爱情只会只会变成真，再多的场合才见。That's why I'm letting go。我终于学着为你分开说。因为爱你爱到我心痛，但你却不懂。I'm letting go。你对一切的软弱太多，让人怀疑你是否爱过我，真的爱过我。为你再找不到借口。That's when we should letting go. Ooh. 在夜深静静醒着，心不安却也沸腾。握不住，我想哭，太路。心不满足的谁的，我很苦。Okay, I'll go back. 太路，在夜深人静连着，心慢慢就也地冷。我不恨，也不哭，的眼泪真的太冷。I'm letting go。我终于试着为你分开说，因为爱你爱得我心痛，但你却不懂。I'm letting go。你对一切的软弱太多，让人怀疑你是否爱过我，真的爱过我。为你再找不到借口。That's when we should letting go. Ooh, 你是 letting go. Okay. Whew. 你是 letting go. Right guys, so thank you for watching. I'll be doing a couple more of these and yeah. Let's get those improvements. Let's get the failures. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. It's been a blast. Cheers, guys.